Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Tasha Kila. In this opportunity, I want to present my proposal thesis about the effect of price perception, product quality, and digital customer experience on repurchase with brand image as a mediating variable in Wi-Fi Oxygen ID at Mora Telematika Indonesia Tbk. uh, Table of content, chapter 1, introduction, background, research question, research object, research benefit, chapter 2, literature review, supporting theory, theoretical framework, precious research, frame of mind. And last, chapter 3, research method, research time and place, research design, population and sample, conceptual definition, operational definition, data collection technique, and data analysis technique. First, background. In this picture, you can see according to Central Statistic Agency 2025 in Indonesia, in 2024, internet use in Indonesia show an increased trend in the 2021 until 2024 period. In 2021 is around 62.10% of the population aged 5 years and older was recorded to have access the internet in the last 3 months. This figure will increase to 72.78% in 2024. Uh, in this increase occur in all region, but in urban and rural area. In the picture 2, we can see that due to the high use of the internet, people looking for more practical, economical internet access and can be used by more than two people, one of which is by installing Wi-Fi at home or the office. So that many companies engage in the telecommunication sector began to facilitation the public internet user, especially Wi-Fi, one of the which is PT Mora Telkomsel Indonesia. The figures show development of the number of the subscriber total of Oxygen ID service from 2020 until 2024. And the total number in 2020 of customer was recorded at 139,301. The figures saw of the development of the number of Oxygen ID customer from 2022 uh, until 2024. Next is background. The phenomenon is that emerged based on the background of research that people need for the internet are increasing along with the growth of digital technology and the high penetration of internet user in Indonesia. So many telecommunication industry are present as internet provider. This condition encourage customer to be more selective in choosing fixed broadband Wi-Fi, so they not only consider the price but also the quality of the connection, network stability, and digital experience provided by the company. And the gap research, we can see, according to Yuli Dharma 2022, research on the influence of price perception, product quality, and customer satisfaction on repurchase interest. Research gap does not examine the digital customer experience variable. According to Linda Septiani 2024, research on the influence the customer experience on repurchase intention with customer satisfaction as a mediation variable. This gap research does not use the variable of price, perception, product, quality, and brand image as mediating variable. And the last, according to Nila Linsania 2025, research related to customer experience, price perception, and product quality to repurchase interest. Research gap brand image is not mediating variable, and the research object is different from the field of telecommunication. And gap research, the next is there are several gaps in inconsistent of research. Most previous research has focused more on mobile operation, mobile data service, or e-commerce. Lack of search that includes brand image as a mediating variable. Lack of research that includes digital customer experience as a variable influencing repurchase decision in the telecommunication industry. Therefore, the research is need the context of Oxygen ID service to provide a more comprehensive understanding. And the novelty is study lie in the three main variables, namely price perception, product quality, and digital customer experience stimulation in influencing process decision with brand image as a mediating variable, where these variables are rarely used together in previous research in the context of the internet service using a research deck that has not been researched much, namely Wi-Fi Oxygen from PT Moratelica Indonesia, because on average it use objects such as IndiHome, Bisnet, and other brands. Next. The next is problem formulation. One, does price perception affect Oxygen ID repurchase decision? Two, does product quality affect Oxygen repurchase decision? Three, does digital customer experience affect Oxygen ID repurchase decision? Four, does price perception affect Oxygen brand image? Five, does product quality affect Oxygen ID brand image? Six, does digital customer experience effect of Oxygen ID brand image? Seven, does brand image affect Oxygen repurchase decision? Eight, does brand image mediate the influence of price perception on Oxygen ID repurchase decision? Nine, does brand image mediate the influence of product quality on Oxygen ID repurchase decision? 10, does brand image mediate the influence of digital customer experience on Oxygen ID repurchase decision? Next is research objective. One, to find out if price perception affect repurchase decision Oxygen ID. Two, to know does product quality affect Oxygen ID repurchase decision. Three, to find out the digital customer experience has an effect on Oxygen ID repurchase decision. To find out does price perception affect Oxygen ID brand image. To find out does product quality affect Oxygen ID to brand image. To find out if digital customer experience affect Oxygen brand image. Seven, to find out does brand image affect Oxygen ID repurchase decision. To find out does brand image mediate the influence of price perception on Oxygen ID repurchase decision. To find out does brand image mediate the influence of product quality on Oxygen ID repurchase decision. And the last, to find out is brand image mediating the influence of digital customer experience on Oxygen ID repurchase decision. And then research benefit, there is two research benefit are theoretical benefit and practical benefit. In theoretical benefit is providing the latest empirical evidence on the role of brand image as a mediator in the telecommunication service sector in Indonesia. Enrich, enriching in the market literature and become a reference for future research related to price perception, product quality, and digital customer experience on repurchase intention with brand image as a mediating variable. And the practical benefit is for Moralindo, assisting company in developing more effective marketing and customer retention strategy by brand image. And for customer, Anchor provide to improve the quality of product and service so that customer satisfaction and experience are better than can create repeat purchase. Next is theoretical framework. First is perceived value. According to Ambariskina, price is a mixed element that has elastic property which can change based on time and place. The existence of price flexibility allow company to adjust price based on customer demand, product cost, competitor strategy, or overall market change. Given the first competition, different level of economic growth can just persist. According to Riskia 2023, the object of pricing are maximizing profit, gaining market share, retaining business capital, playing games, and improving market share. Goal of price stabilization, maintaining the company's survival. Second is product quality. According to Noviana 2024, product quality is a product that meet qualification and according with customer expectation and standard set by the manufacturer. According to Fendi Chiptono 2010, product quality is a quality that includes effort to meet or extend customer expectation, which include product, service, people, process, and the environment. According to Tejiptono 2018, that the conventional definition of quality is performance as a direct description of the product, reliability, ease of use, aesthetic in accordance with that customer want. In order to achieve the desired product quality, a quality standardization must be recorded. The better the quality of a product will be the main choice for the customer. And the three, digital customer experience. According to Nanta 2025, digital customer experience is the experience felt by the customer when interacting with the company through various digital touchpoints, such as website, application, chatbot, social media, and other digital service. According to Diane NRN 2024, digital experience are important because customers feel that they have the confidence of accessing information, making transaction, and getting help from digital platform, so their level of comfort and trust increase. This can affect purchasing decision and repurchase intention. According to Rahayu 2022, explained that the digital customer experience includes the emotional and cognitive response of customer when they interact through digital channel. And effective digital experience must be able to provide usability, attractive appearance, service speed, and information responsiveness. Companies that provide an optimal digital experience will be able to create customer satisfaction and loyalty. Uh, for repurchase attention, and according to Gusti 2025, repurchase decision are the action of customer to repurchase a product or service repeatedly due the various impulse and perception that suit their need or desire. According to Kotler 2016, there are five stages that consumer go through in the purchase decision making process. First is problem identification, information search, alternative evaluation, purchase decisions, purchase decision, and the post-purchase behavior. According to Maria Devita and Sony Tambuna 2025, the factor that affect the purchase decision are price, product design, and product quality. According to Tijiptono 2004, the factor that affect the purchase decision are product quality and brand image. And the last is brand image. According to Sylvia 2025, if brand image is the perception or impression formed in the mind of customer towards brand, which is based on the customer experience of the brands. According to Veronica 2025, brand image is the belief, perception, and memory for the first time when hearing a brand slogan and continue to exist in the mind of customer. Brand image is a tool that can be used to convey information to customer about product names, use logo, label, warning, and other type of promotion. According to Kotler and Keller 2018, it means that brand image is provide an overview of the external character of the product or service as the brand image is able to meet psychological and social needs of customer. According to Ernie 2017, brand image can be classified into three levels, namely attribute, benefit, and brand attitudes. This is previous research. You can see the table. There is so many previous uh, research and there is gap research. And the next is conceptual framework. The conceptual framework uh, is X1 is persepsi price, X2 product quality, X3 digital customer experience, Z brand image, and Y purchase decision. Hypothesis development. First is the influence of price perception on repurchase decision. Price perception affect repurchase decision. According to research Amalia 2024 found that the research of the studies know that price perception has a positive effect on customer satisfaction, which is turn affect repurchase interest. Another study by Talumatak 2023 result of the study show that partly price perception has no influence on the purchasing decision. And second is the hypothesis two, product quality affect the repurchase decision. That research conducted by Shahrizal 2024 show that product quality has a significant effect on purchase decision. At higher the quality of a product, the higher customer desire to make a repeat purchase. However, different result we found by Aprina 2024 on skincare product to find that product quality doesn't direct affect repurchase intention, but rather the effect approach through the mediation of customer satisfaction. The three is hypothesis three, digital customer experience effect repurchase decision. Previous research has shown significant positive contact by Yasa and Wulandari 2024 found that customer experience has a direct and significant influence on repurchase intention, both directly and through customer trust. A good digital customer experience makes customer feel comfortable, understand, and service easily, and ultimately encourage them to buy again. However, there are also insignificant research study by Muhammad Fahmi 2024 uh, f- the found that although customer experience has effect on customer satisfaction, its direct influence on repurchase intention it's not always significant. Without certification as a mediating variable, this means that the some industry context, a good digital experience alone, it's not enough to drive repurchase without a strong sense of customer satisfaction. Four is uh, hypothesis four is price perception effect brand image. Research by Astuti 2023 show that the price perception has a significant positive influence on the brand image. of local skincare product because competitive price create a modern and high-value brand impression. However, research by Rahayu 2023 found different research where price perception does not have a significant effect on the brand image of fast fashion product because customers are more influenced by trend than the price. Hypothesis 5, product quality effect brand image. According to research Rajagogo 2025, product quality has a positive and significant impact on a brand awareness. This means that product and brand quality score in this study directly influence customer purchase volume. However, a study Apriana and Hadi 2024 on skincare product, it was found product quality does not have a direct influence on repurchase intention. Even though brand image has strong role, this although product quality often play an important role in shopping and shaping brand image. Its influence can be tenuous of indirect in some context. And the sixth hypothesis, digital customer experience influence brand image. Research conducted by Adi Nugroho 2025 found that digital customer experience contribute positively and significantly to the information of brand equity, which include brand image, thereby strange customer perception of brand and their intention to buy back. According to a study Maulidan 2023, digital customer experience does not have a direct effect on the formation of brand image if company do not provide differentiation or unique value to their platform. This happens when the digital customer experience is standard and does not give a differentiation impression from the competition. 7 is hypothesis 7, brand image affect the repurchase decision. Research by Salsabila 2022 also support the research that a positive brand image can increase repurchase intention because customers feel confident in consistent product quality. Research by Gresh 2025 found that brand image is not particularly significant to repurchase intention even though is a stimulation influenced by others variable. This strong brand image generally improve repurchase decision, although in inflation may can decrease if the pricing and promotional factor are more dominant. 8 is research by Santoso 2023 show that brand image mediate the influence of price perception on repurchase decision. Research by Ahmad 2022 found that the influence of mediation was not significant because brand image was not the main factor in repurchase product at promotional price. This brand image can strange the relationship between price perception and repurchase decision, especially in product that uphold brand value and trust. In hypothesis 8, brand image mediate the influence of price perception on the repurchase decision. And the 9 hypothesis is brand image mediate the influence product quality on the purchase decision. Research by Rahmadani Fitria 2023, brand image mediate the influence of product quality on the purchase decision significantly. Research by Widodo 2022 found that the influence of mediation is not significant because customer rely more on direct experience on quality than brand image. And the last is hypothesis 10, brand image mediate the influence of digital customer experience on repurchase decision. research by Aji Ahmad 2023, who found that the customer experience improved brand image and the brand image then significantly affect repurchase intention. This means that the brand act an important bridge between customer experience and repurchase decision. Research by Risma et al. 2024 found that improving digital experience does not automatically increase repurchase through brand image. Next is the next is research method. Research time and place. Research time is October 2025 until March 2026 for 6 months. Research location in Greater Jakarta Region, Jakarta, Bogor, Depok, Tangerang, Bekasi. Research design is quantitative. Research design is causal and descriptive, explain the cause effect relationship of each variable. Data collection method is survey with online questionnaire or Google form. Population is all customer oxygen ID in Indonesia. Sample and population is uh 214 respondent. Populasi is all oxygen ID customer in Indonesia who are registered with PT Moratobika Indonesia. The sample use purposive sampling, which is to select respondents who have special criteria, namely is using Wi-Fi oxygen ID home, living in the greater Jakarta area, be an active customer oxygen ID, be 7 years old, have the ability to make your own subscriber decision. 5. Have used the service for at least 1 month. No reference to judge the quality. The calculation of the sample according to HER 2021, the number of indicator is multiplied by 10. The study was 240 14 respondents. Next is conceptual definition. First is price perception is defined as how customer judge and price based on affordable suitability with quality, benefit, and competitiveness compared to others product. Customer will have a positive perception if they feel that the price offer is in accordance with the quality and benefit received. And the product quality is defined as ability of a product to meet the needs and expectation of customer through the performance, reliability, durability, and beauty of the product. High quality product will create customer trust and loyalty. Digital customer experience is defined as customer experience when interacting with digital-based service such as online platform which are measured through ease of use, ease of access, service personalization, functionality, and emotionally comfort while using the platform. A positive digital experience will emerge if customer feel that the digital process is easy, fast, relevant, responsive, and provide confidence in every stage of interaction so that it can increase customer satisfaction and loyalty. And brand image is play a role mediating variable. Brand image is defined as a customer perception of the brand format from experience, exposure to information, and across association attached to the brand. Repurchase intention is customer to return to the same product or service based on the previous positive experience. In this decision, is because of the perception of a process price good product quality, and a high level of certification with the product. Consumer who have trust and a certification and a satisfying experience with a brand tend to make repeat purchase on an ongoing basis. Next is affordable operation and research indicator. The first is price perception. Riskia at 2023, price over price affordably, price compatibly with product quality, price competitiveness, and the product quality AZA 2022, performance, reliability, aesthetic and quality perception, product feature, conformance, durability, serviceability, preserve quality, and digital experience Saputra 2023, usability, convenience, customization, timeless, enjoyment. Brand image Liana 2023, company image, product image, user image. And the last purchase intention Sylvia Soba Evana 2025 and Daria Sony Bagaskara 2025 is make a repurchase providing recommendation, brand loyalty, providing certification, and total purchase. Next is data collection technique. Data collection was carried out using an online class question. Each question is structured in the form of the statement Likert scale 1 until 5. And data analysis technique, and that we can see that the study will use the structure model equation or SAM, connect the literal software version 8.18, the use of the same in Israel was chosen because the respondent data was more than 200 respondents, so that this software is considered more accurate and produce not only knowing the power relationship between variable. Data analysis technique first is descriptive analysis. The descriptive analysis is the each response answer collect in the questionnaire. This technique present data as it without generalization through grouping, tabulation, and presentation of data based on the Likert scale used in the questionnaire. And second, validity and reliability test. There is a validity conversion and the average variant average or AV. The convergent validity is exploratory, must be not sorry 0.17 for for uh exploratory and loading vector value between 0.16 until 0.70 are still accepted, and EV value must be 0.15. And next is discriminatory validity. Confirmatory is more than 0.70, and exploratory is uh, more than 0.16 is still accept. And next is rehabilitation is confirmatory by Hornbeach alpha must be more than 0.17 for exploratory value, more than 0.16 is still accept, and composite reliability, if confirmatory reliability value must be more than 0.17 value, and for exploratory itu more than 0.16 until 0.17. The next is data analysis technique. Uh, First is path analysis in the context of Lusrel. Technique is direct effect, indirect effect, total effect, and the goodness of it. We can see the table for goodness of the fit indicate the goodness fit index is show the level of accuracy of model in producing an observed variance metric. The model is considered fit when the GFI value more than 0.9. Hypothesis testing is the statistical value used are the test statistic more than 1.96 at a significant level of 5%, p-value less than 0.05 if the test results know that the statistic more than table, or p-value less than 0.05, then the alternative hypothesis or HA is accept, and the null hypothesis is the reject. Thank you for all, and thank you for your attention. Sorry for uh, my mistake, and see you.